Hey guys. As I was shooting yesterday, I realized I had the cup that was going to go inside the new project in front of you the whole time. So I decided I would shoot another shorty and show you so you could actually see it, how to do a magic circle. You wrap your yarn around your fingers twice, catch the back loop of your work, pull that up, then pull a stitch through it. From there, you are going to be stitching over your magic circle with 6 stitches. From there, you pull that string tight and pull the stitches together. And as you can see, it pulls your work together and closes the hole. When you are working with a magic circle, your first round is 2 chains and a half double or whatever stitch you are using to form the first 2 sections in a hole. Then you do 1. I am using half double stitches, so I would do 1 half double. Then you go back to 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, all the way around the circle. When you get to the end, you join that with a slip stitch. The second round, you would do 2 chains, a half double in the same hole. Then you would do a single half double in the next hole, a single half double in the next hole. So it will be 2 in the same hole, 1, 2, 2 in the same hole, 1, 2. The third round, you would do your 2 chains and a half double, 1, 2, 3, 2 in the same hole. 1, 2, 3, 2 in the same hole. And you continue that pattern as you go.